rubies. Who can find her? He who finds her finds a good thing. He obtains favor from the Lord. Her name is woman. In all the creation, she is the only one that shares the same role as the Holy Spirit, the helper. For God said, I will make a man a suitable helper, full of wisdom, making her home with her open hands. She feeds nations. She's the mother of many nations. Her children are arrows in her hands formed against the kingdom of darkness. She is a crown to her husband, full of faith. She resurrects dead things and speaks life to lifeless things. And she speaks things that are not as though they were. She shall be called woman. During time of trouble, when she whips and waves, the heavens stand still and listen to her. And the emotions of God are evoked and is forced to answer and look to the nation with mercy. Her name is woman. That old serpent, the dragon, is trying to chase after her, running after her child. But thank God the child was snatched to heaven, and the enemy is running after her, sending every weapon against her. But the earth opened its stomach and swallowed every weapon, for she has dominion over the earth. For God said, have dominion, subdue the earth. She shall be called woman. When she wakes up in the morning, hell gets nervous and the demons tremble, for her footsteps are whispering, your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Fully dressed as a soldier, not entangled in the world's affairs, but waiting to hear the voice of her commander, Jesus. She shall be called woman, because